Welcome back to Fruits and Vegetables channel, where we dive deep into the world of nutrition and uncover the hidden treasures of healthy eating. In our previous video, we explored the amazing benefits of broccoli. Now, let's discuss some creative and delicious ways to incorporate this nutrient-packed vegetable into your daily diet. Get ready for some mouthwatering ideas. The content is not intended to be used as a substitute for professional medical diagnosis, advice, or treatment. Please always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider with all questions that you have related to or about a medical condition. Broccoli is not only incredibly nutritious, but it's also versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes. Whether you're a fan of salads, stir-fries, soups, or even smoothies, there's a broccoli recipe for everyone. Let's explore some delicious ways to bring this green powerhouse into your meals. 1. Broccoli stir-fry. Stir-frying broccoli with a medley of colorful vegetables and protein is a quick and nutritious option. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a wok or skillet over high heat. Add sliced broccoli florets, along with your choice of sliced bell peppers, carrots, mushrooms, and protein such as tofu, chicken, or shrimp. Stir-fry for a few minutes until the broccoli becomes tender crisp. Season with soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for a burst of flavor. 2. Broccoli and cheese stuffed baked potatoes. Who doesn't love a cheesy baked potato? Elevate this classic dish by stuffing your baked potatoes with a creamy broccoli and cheese filling. Start by baking potatoes until tender. In a bowl, mash cooked broccoli and mix it with shredded cheddar cheese, Greek yogurt, salt, and pepper. Slice the baked potatoes in half lengthwise and scoop out some of the flesh. Fill the potato halves with the broccoli cheese mixture and return them to the oven until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 3. Broccoli and chickpea salad. This refreshing and protein-packed salad is perfect for a light lunch or as a side dish. Begin by blanching or steaming broccoli florets until tender. In a bowl, combine the cooked broccoli with drained and rinsed chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, diced red onions, and crumbled feta cheese. Toss with a simple dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. The combination of flavors and textures in this salad is simply divine. 4. Broccoli and cheddar soup. On a chilly day, there's nothing more comforting than a warm bowl of soup. Broccoli and cheddar soup is a classic favorite. Start by sautéing diced onions and garlic in a pot with a little butter until softened. Add chopped broccoli florets and vegetable broth, and simmer until the broccoli is tender. Use an immersion blender or transfer the mixture to a blender to puree until smooth. Stir in grated cheddar cheese and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Creamy, cheesy, and full of flavor. 5. Broccoli and mushroom quinoa bowl. Quinoa bowls are a great way to pack in a variety of nutrients. In a saucepan, cook quinoa according to the package instructions. While the quinoa is cooking, sauté sliced mushrooms and broccoli florets in a skillet with olive oil until tender. Season with your favorite herbs and spices. Once the quinoa is ready, assemble your bowl by layering the quinoa, sautéed vegetables, and toppings such as avocado slices, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of tahini dressing. 6. Broccoli smoothie. Yes, you heard it right, broccoli in a smoothie. It's a fantastic way to sneak in some extra veggies. In a blender, combine frozen banana, a handful of spinach, a handful of broccoli florets, a scoop of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a splash of almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. The sweetness of the banana masks the taste of the broccoli, making it a refreshing and nutritious treat. 7. Roasted broccoli in garlic. Sometimes, simplicity is key. Roasting broccoli brings out its natural sweetness and adds a delicious depth of flavor. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Toss broccoli florets with olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast for 15 to 20 minutes until the edges are crispy and golden. It's a fantastic side dish or a healthy snack option. And there you have it, 7 mouthwatering ways to incorporate broccoli into your daily meals. Whether it's in stir-fries, salads, soups, or even smoothies, the versatility of broccoli allows you to enjoy its incredible nutritional benefits in countless ways. So, get creative in the kitchen and let this green gem shine. I hope you found these broccoli recipes inspiring and can't wait to try them in your own kitchen. Remember, incorporating broccoli into your diet not only adds a nutritional boost but also brings vibrant flavors and textures to your meals. Don't be afraid to experiment and discover your own favorite broccoli recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and healthy food ideas. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy cooking!